Hello everybody and welcome to my channel, and today we're making this awesome recipe. It's a dessert, super easy to make and very tasty. Subscribe to my channel to see more of my videos. First of all, you'll need half a cup of cherries, then add 2 tablespoons of sugar, half a glass of water, and some cornstarch. I'm adding 1 tablespoon. Mixing it all together, and when they're boiling, let them cook for 1 minute and take them out of the fire. Now let's crumble and mince your little and favorite cookies. Then add it into a bowl. Then add 30 grams of butter and mix it all together. In another bowl, add 200 grams of cottage cheese, 70 grams of yogurt, and 2 tablespoons of sugar. Now let's blend it all together. Now let's prepare the desserts. The first layer will be cookies. Next, cheese and yogurt mixture. And then the cherries. And this is the result. The dessert comes out delicious and super easy to make. I hope you enjoyed this video and recipe, and if you did, give me a like and subscribe to my channel to see more of my videos. Thank you for watching.